Welcome to English Practice Everyday. This visual English practice video is for beginner level learners. In this video, we will describe an image in very simple English with short, clear, and easy to understand sentences. Throughout our practice, I will highlight important words, phrases, and phrasal verbs. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me as we practice. In this picture, we see three people sitting at a round table. There is also a cat sitting next to the table on the left side. In the background, we can see two men talking to each other. The photo has a warm indoor feeling. Let's look closely at each part of the image and describe it in detail. People at the table. There are two women and one man sitting at the table. The woman on the left. She is smiling softly and looking straight at the camera. She is wearing a gray t-shirt with a small red and white pattern near her left shoulder. She has a bright orange necklace around her neck. It really stands out. Her hair is straight and brown. It is worn loose and falls on her shoulders. In front of her, there is a glass of red wine and a white bowl with green food. She is holding the glass in her right hand. She looks calm and relaxed. She seems friendly. The woman in the middle. She is sitting between the other two people. Her face looks serious, maybe a little suspicious or thoughtful. She has dark hair that is pulled back behind her head. She is wearing a dark green t-shirt with short sleeves. Her left hand is touching her chin, as if she is thinking hard. In front of her, there is a white bowl filled with food. The food looks green, maybe broccoli and potatoes. She seems to be deep in thought, like she is trying to figure something out. The man on the right. He has a serious and intense expression on his face. He is frowning and looking directly at the camera. He has a dark beard and mustache and thick eyebrows. He is wearing a light beige or cream-colored shirt and brown pants. He also has a light brown cap on his head. His arms are on the table. He looks strong and a bit tense. In front of him is a glass of water. The cat. On the far left, next to the woman in grey, there is a tabby cat. The cat is sitting upright and looking directly at the camera. It has yellow-green eyes and striped fur, a mix of brown, grey, and black. The cat's ears are up and it seems alert. It looks like it wants to be part of the group. The cat brings a little humor and surprise to the photo. Food and drinks. In front of women, we see white bowls with green vegetables, most likely broccoli. It looks healthy and simple. The woman on the left has a glass of red wine. The man has a glass of water in front of him. There is also a half-filled glass and a half-filled bottle of water placed behind the man on another table. The food and drinks are neatly arranged. Body language and expressions. The expressions are very interesting in this photo. The woman on the left is smiling, which shows she is relaxed and happy. The middle woman looks serious. Her eyes are narrowed and she is touching her face. The man looks very stern, maybe even angry or suspicious. His brows are furrowed and he seems to stare at something or someone. The cat looks calm but curious. Their body language shows different emotions. It's like they are all having different thoughts at the same time. Clothing and colors. The colors in this photo are soft and earthy, mostly gray, green, brown, beige, and white. These are neutral tones which give the photo a calm and warm feeling. The woman's orange necklace and the green broccoli are the most colorful parts. They pop out and catch your eye. The clothes are simple and casual. Nothing looks fancy or formal. Setting and background. The table is round and covered with a white cloth. It is small, just enough for 3 people. Behind the people, there is a plain beige wall. On the left side, there is an open window or mirror. Through it, we see 2 men in suits talking quietly. They are both wearing dark jackets and their heads are close together. It looks like a private conversation. The furniture is dark wood. It gives the place a cozy, classic feel. The lighting is soft. There are no strong shadows, which means the light is gentle and even. Overall feel of the image. This image feels a little mysterious. It makes us wonder, why do they all have different expressions? What are they thinking about? Why does the cat look like it's part of the group? The photo is well composed, meaning everything is in the right place. The faces are clearly shown, the food is centered, and the background adds a little story without taking attention away from the main people. Common phrases and idioms we can use. Sit upright. The cat is sitting upright. Look straight at. The woman is looking straight at the camera. Deep in thought. She looks like she is deep in thought. Pop out. Her necklace really pops out. Furrowed brows. He has furrowed brows. Come together. Everything in the photo comes together nicely. Catch your eye. The orange necklace catches your eye. In the background, we can see 2 men in the background. Keep a straight face. The man and middle woman are keeping straight faces. That's the end of our practice. I urge you to keep describing your surroundings in simple English to become more fluent. Bye for now.